Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to speak about Priority Pass. What is Priority Pass? How is it different from your normal credit card to access the lounge? I'm going to explain everything in this video. I just received this courier from HDFC Bank. This is the Priority Pass I just received from HDFC Bank. So today I'll speak about this and where can you exactly use this, where you cannot use this. So please stay tuned. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for more interesting content like this. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So there has been a recent change from the last 18 months or so that a normal credit card, I'm only talking with regards to HDFC Bank, but I think the rule is same across all banks. So when you're traveling, let's say from Singapore to India, so when you want to access the lounge in Singapore, you will not be able to access it for free with your normal credit card which has the international lounge access. So you have to call the customer care and you have to get this Priority Pass which is free of cost. It will be shipped to your address free of cost. So all you have to do is you have to call the bank, let them know that you need a Priority Pass which is eligible for your credit card. So before 18 months or so, the rules was you can swipe your normal credit card in international lounge in other countries as well. But now that rule has been removed and you can only access through Priority Pass. Again, I'm only speaking with regards to HDFC Bank. I'm not sure whether other banks like ICICI or Axis Bank give this kind of Priority Pass. I'm really not sure about it. I'll try to find out and I'll try to link it in the description below. So let's say when you're coming from Singapore to India and when you flash this card to them or when you show this card to them saying that you have eligibility, so they're going to take this Priority Pass, they're going to validate this and they're going to tell you whether this card is actually eligible or not. If it is eligible, it will be completely free of cost. So as I can see in this booklet, you can access over 1,000 airport lounges across the world, not only Singapore. Singapore was just an example. So if you do have a HDFC Bank and if you're eligible for any international lounge, then you call the customer care and get hold of the Priority Pass, which is very useful when you're traveling, because recently I went to Dubai and when I went to the Dubai airport lounge, so they were accepting only Priority Pass. My credit card was not eligible, so they clearly said I'll be charged $27 plus GST if I use my normal credit card, even though my credit card is accessible for free international airport lounge. So another important information I forgot to provide you guys was my Priority Pass, HDFC Priority Pass, is eligible for 6 airport lounges in 1 year. So I can use it only 6 times across different whatever countries they've given, or the 1,000 plus airport lounge access which is available across the world. I can only use it 6 times per year. And one more important information I missed was if you try to use your Priority Pass in domestic lounges or international terminal or domestic terminal here in Indian airports, you will be charged $27 plus GST, which is given in the booklet. I just verified this. So do not use this Priority Pass in India. Please use this Priority Pass only when you're traveling abroad and when you're coming back to India in the airport lounge in foreign countries only. So please keep this in mind. So just call your bank. If your credit card is already having international lounge for free, then call your bank and get this Priority Pass for you, which will be shipped free of cost to your residential address. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to spend any money. It's just that the rules have changed. You can't use your Indian credit card which you already have, which you already swipe in India, that you cannot use it in 1,000 plus airport lounges across the world. So I couldn't take the benefit of using the lounge even though I have free access. So I hope this information was really helpful to you. So if you need any information on what credit card I'm using, or if you want to inquire about something, you can comment in the comment section or ping me on Instagram. I'll help you with the proper information. So if you have not seen my free airport lounge vlog which I had made earlier, please do watch it. It's really helpful to know how an airport lounge looks like, even though it's in India. So you're going to have a similar concept even abroad. You're going to have food different cuisines, resting area, shower, everything free of cost. So even this, what I'm explaining, priority pass is also free of cost. It is just included with your credit card. So you just have to contact your bank, tell them that you already have a Regalia card. In my case, I just told them I need a priority pass to swipe in international lounge. So they'll ship it to your address free of cost. So you don't have to do anything. I hope this video was helpful. Please stay tuned to more videos like this. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in my next video.